Anya is standing in a foreign city. The air feels new, the smell feels different. Tall buildings are around her. Cars move slowly on the road. People walk past her. They speak a language she does not know. Anya takes a deep breath. She is abroad. This is her first time in another country. Her friend Lily is with her. Lily stands close to her. Anya feels safe because Lily is there. Anya smiles and says, "We are really here." Lily smiles back and says, "Yes, this feels like a dream." They walk slowly on the street. They pull their bags. They look at shops. They see bright signs. Anya looks at people's faces. Everyone looks busy. Anya takes out her phone. She clicks pictures, buildings, roads, lights. She feels excited. She thinks, "I will remember this day forever." They stop near a small shop. They drink water. They sit quietly. Anya checks her phone again. Everything feels fine. After some time, they reach a busy area. There are many people. There is noise. There is movement everywhere. Lily says, "Let's look around." Anya nods. Anya stops to see something beautiful. She looks at colors. She looks at lights. She turns back. Lily is not there. Anya blinks. She looks again. Lily is still not there. Anya feels confused. She looks left. She looks right. People walk fast. No familiar face. She calls softly, "Lily?" No reply. She waits. 1 minute passes. 2 minutes pass. Her heart beats faster. She thinks she will come back, but Lily does not come. Fear slowly enters her heart. Anya touches her bag. She wants to call Lily. Her phone is not there. She opens the bag. She checks carefully. Again, no phone. Anya freezes. Her hands shake. She whispers, "My phone is gone." She feels cold inside. She's abroad. She's alone. She has no phone. Tears come to her eyes. Anya sits on a bench. People pass by her. No one notices. She feels very small. She thinks about home. She thinks about safety. She thinks about her parents. She closes her eyes. She breathes slowly. She tells herself, "Do not panic." She sits quietly. Minutes pass slowly. Anya stands up. Her legs feel weak, but she walks. She sees a help desk. She goes there. She speaks slowly. "I lost my friend. I lost my phone." The staff listens carefully. They speak gently. A kind woman gives her water. Anya drinks it slowly. Her heart feels lighter. The staff makes an announcement. They call Lily's name. Anya waits. She looks at every face. Seconds feel long. Minutes feel heavy. Her hands are cold. Her heart hopes. She whispers, "Please." Suddenly, Anya hears a voice. "Anya!" She looks up. It is Lily. Lily runs towards her. They hug tightly. They do not speak. Tears fall. Lily says softly, "I was scared." Anya says, "Me too." Someone found Anya's phone. They return it to her. Anya smiles. She feels safe again. That night they walk slowly. City lights shine softly. Anya feels calm. She learns something important. Fear comes suddenly, but courage stays. This was Anya's story. Thank you for listening. See you again.